Click on Prepare Restoration. Navigate in the drop-down selection to Drain and Vent Allowed. You can now choose between the Fill tool and the Paint tool. Start selecting the areas where drain and vent holes are allowed. These areas include the bottom side of your model as well as the base of your model. Use the slider to scale the contiguous areas, which are selected by the Fill tool. You don't have to be overcautious when selecting. It is possible to correct mistakes afterwards. Just click on Remove Attribute, and you can remove the over-selected areas in the same way you have selected them. At the end of this step, your model should look similar to this. Only the bottom and base of your model are marked.